Hello students, today we are going to start the next topic, that is probability. Probability, as many times we come across or make a statement like probably it may rain today. Chances of his coming to school are very few. So the words chances, possible, probably, these conveys the sense of uncertainty about the happening of an event. Probability does not tell what will happen. It just indicates the chances. Now, probability of an event is equals to number of favorable cases or outcomes divided by total number of outcomes. Now, what are the favorable outcomes? The number of trials in which event occurs is called favorable case or outcome. And the total number of trials are called total number of outcomes. For example, when we toss a coin, and we want to find the probability of getting head. So, what will be the number of favorable cases to head? That is 1. And what will be the total number of outcomes? That is 2, head and tail. So, the probability of getting head would be 1 upon 2. Now, let us know some facts about probability. First is, probability of an event lies between 0 and 1, both included. Means probability cannot be negative and cannot be greater than 1. It will lie between 0 and 1 only. Second is, probability of a certain or sure event is always 1. What is certain or sure event? That will definitely happen. For example, we are having one urn and there are some balls in that. If I say कि if I will draw something from it, it will be a ball. So it will definitely be a ball because urn is carrying balls only. So it is a certain event. Then probability of an impossible event is always 0. For example, same way, in an urn, if there are 3 color balls, that is white, green and yellow, and if I say I will get red from it if I'll draw one ball. So this is a case of impossibility, means it cannot be happen because it is not carrying red colored ball. So such cases are called impossible cases or impossible events, and their probability is always 0. Now let us do one question. Numbers 1 to 10 are written on 10 separate slips, one number on one slip, kept in a box and mixed well. One slip is chosen from the box without looking into it. What is the probability of number 1 getting a number 6? So, as you know, there is only 1 6 on the number slip. So, therefore, the number of favorable cases to 6 will be 1. So, probability of getting a number 6 will be 1 upon 10, because in the denominator total number of outcomes would be there and we are having 10 slips in total. So, it would be 1 upon 10. Number 2, getting a number less than 6. Now, you can see there are 5 numbers which are less than 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, therefore, number of favorable cases would be 5 and total slips are again 10. So, it will be 5 upon 10, that is further equals to 1 upon 2. The third part, getting a number greater than 6. So, you can see greater than 6. 4 numbers are there, 7, 8, 9 and 10. So, number of favorable cases would be 4 and total slips again are 10. So, it would be 4 upon 10, that is equals to 2 upon 5. Number 4, getting a 1-digit number. So, as you can observe, from 1 to 10, 1-digit number are 9, 1 to 9. So, therefore, 9 favorable cases would be there and total slips again are 10. So, it would be 9 upon 10.